What's going on, everyone? Time to look at the repo for today. We're back at 1.5 trillion. Let's go. Okay, so yesterday we were just shy of this. We were at 1484 with 71 counterparties. Now we have slightly more counterparties, up to 76. Sitting at 1.5 trillion again, trending on back up. Where are we going to finish for the year? I don't know. They were expecting 2 trillion at some point, but I don't know if we're going to hit that or not. But again, we're just insanity. Historically speaking, nothing even comes close. I believe the record is at 1.6, so about 100 billion away or so, just 100 billion away from the record. But yeah, numbers for today: 0.05 award, 76 counterparties, overnight repo, obviously, with 1.5 trillion freaking dollars. Jeez Louise, when does it end? When does easing start? I've heard talk about easing starting for quite some time now, and it's clear that that has not begun to happen yet. Or maybe it has, it's just very slow in showing it in the data. But that's your repo for today. Trending back up, 1.5 trillion. Let's go.